everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I've got a cool flashlight. I've got this product from RovyVon. That's RovyVon. This is their A2 keychain flashlight. Now, I haven't done a ton of flashlight reviews on the channel before. Actually, I don't know if I've ever posted any, but I do have a lot of flashlights. You know, this is one of the things I kind of classify in the life category here because, you know, especially for a keychain light or something like that you can have with you at all times, it's really nice to have something compact and also pretty powerful. So we'll take a look at it. It comes in this little case. And then the flashlight is here. So this is made out of like a stainless steel material. So it's kind of not super lightweight. It's got some heft to it. But we'll take a look. So this is what the flashlight looks like. Let's put that down. There's also a clip that has a magnet on it. So if you do want to like stick this to something, you can put this clip on. It has a magnet. There's also a tail piece that you can put on there that is magnetic as well. So you can snap this on, this little plastic thing with the magnets, and you can convert it to being able to be magnetized, you know, on the tail or with the clip on the side, which is pretty cool. Then you get a few little other things in here as well. User manual, warranty guide, that sort of thing. Now, just taking a look at what you get, like I said, so you do get a couple key rings. There's like a little bit of a smaller one, and here's a little bit of a thicker one. So you have a choice on how you want to use this and maybe attach it to your keys or whatnot. And then there is a USB-C, an additional USB-C plug, I guess in case you lose the one that's already installed on there. So you get an extra one of those. And then you get this plastic tail piece that has the magnet in it. So you can snap that on here and then convert it to be magnetized. So I'm going to leave that on there for now. And like I said, this is USB-C rechargeable. They do not give you a cable, but you know, I mean, everybody has pretty much USB-C cables nowadays. You plug it in there on the side, so you can recharge this. So now this does have a 300 milliamp hour battery inside, non-user replaceable. Here they're saying this is an updated metal switch. I didn't have the prior version, but this is supposed to be easier to press, especially like when you need to get to it really quickly. It does have 5 brightness levels, which are like a half a lumen, which is their Moonlight, has a low of 25 lumens, medium of 200 lumens, and a high of 650 lumens. There's also strobe mode, and then it has momentary on, so you can just press the button and hold it to turn the flashlight on. And then there's lockout modes also, so that, you know, if you have this in your pocket, you don't accidentally turn it on and burn a hole in your pocket or something like that, because it is pretty bright, I guess, for such a small item. And like I said, it has the magnetic base and all of that. So I'm going to grab something metal real quick and I'll show you that it does attach. This is the first thing I could find that was metal. As you can see here, you can attach this to this. Now, it's probably not strong enough to hold it at a side angle. Well, I guess it kind of is, depending on how you put it. But definitely, if you want to hang it upside down from something, that'll work. And then this, I did put it in the wrong place the last time, so I think this is supposed to go like this. Actually, in that slot, the last one, there you go. So this slides into this last of the 3 slots there. And then also is a magnet, so you can attach it to something metal. If you need light and you want to attach it, working on your car, you can put it on there. Anywhere where you're near metal and you need a light and you don't have 2 hands to hold it or 1 hand to hold it, you can use either this clip or the tail piece to do that. So I do think that's pretty cool as well. On the dimensions, this is about 2¼ inches by 0.61 inches, so a little bit bigger than a ½ an inch by 2¼ inches. Weighs 1.2 ounces, so pretty lightweight. You know, you're not going to really notice it. Now, it does have momentary on, like I said, so if you just hold the button, it turns on. And it's pretty bright when it turns on just with that. And then if you want to change the brightnesses, I think it's you double click and then it puts it on the lowest mode. Or no, that was the highest mode. So the lowest mode you can hardly see here. This is the low, so this is 25 lumens. This is medium, 200 lumens, and then high is 650 lumens. So again, if you double click it, it comes on high, which is the 650 lumens, and then you could cycle down to Moonlight, low, medium, high. And then if you triple click, you do get it into a strobe mode, which is pretty handy if you need to blind somebody, I guess. And then you press it again and it kind of turns off. And now there are some instructions here as well to like change the constant on mode or the momentary on and what they mean and what they default to. So that's basically what you can do as well. You can kind of make some changes there. Basically, it's called mode memory. Now for the strobe, like I said, you have to click it, triple click it 3 times or triple click it. Now if you have to do it pretty quick to make it register. And then you just, once it's on strobe, you just press it once to turn it off. So anyways, I'll have to learn those a little bit, you know, the click modes and all of that. But basically what the point of this whole thing is that you have multiple levels of brightness, like I said, from 0.5 lumens to 650 lumens, as well as a strobe mode. Or I'll put it in the description as well, kind of like the expected battery life at all these different levels, because obviously it will make a difference if you have it on the brightest level, how long it will last versus the lowest level and whatnot. So to lock this, we'll see if I can do this. Basically says to click it 5 times and then this light should flash. The LED will blink twice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay. So the light blinks twice. So now it should be locked out. So I shouldn't be able to do anything. And if I try to do something, it beeps twice, basically saying that it's locked out. So now I'll do it again 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It beeps twice, or beeps 3 times then, and then you're back to having it on. So that's a really nice feature. Again, like I said, in case you have this in your pocket and you accidentally bump it, you don't want it to turn on because it will get hot. And it might, like some other flashlights that I've had, it might burn a hole in your pocket. So you may want to lock it out if you have it in your pocket or you have it in a purse or somewhere and you don't want it to actually turn on. So you can do that, and then you unlock it when you have it on your keychain, and you know it's safe to turn on accidentally. If it does, it doesn't matter, etc. I don't know if I mentioned this. This is IPX6 water resistant, so not like you can dunk it, but you know, basically you don't have to worry if it gets a little bit wet. It should be okay, kind of splashed or something like that. So this is actually a really pretty cool little device, little flashlight for everyday carry. I will put more information on the specs in the description, like I said. I'll also kind of link to this, obviously, so you can purchase it. You can get this on Amazon. RovyVon also has a website, but you know, a lot of these are on Amazon, so that's probably the quickest way to get it. Yeah, and overall, this is just a really cool little device. I really do like it. So if you have any questions, go ahead and post those below. I'll be sure to answer. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.